In this class, I am discussing about another operations, taper turning operations. So what is taper turning operations? Look here in this job. The diameter of this side is 20 mm. This is a smaller diameter, D smaller diameter, and this is the larger diameter. It is 30 mm. It is 30 mm. That is smaller dia, D smaller dia. Taper length. Taper length is from here to here. This length is taper length. Here taper length is in this position to in this position. This is called taper length. So you should produce a taper in between this larger dia and smaller dia, and the length will be 15 millimeter. So what angle you should give into the lathe machine to produce a taper on this job? Look here, the formula is half taper angle, alpha half taper angle. So what half taper angle, how you will find the half taper angle? By using this formula. Half taper angle is tan inverse capital D minus small d by 2L. Thus find the tapered angle. Tan alpha, the constant value of tan alpha is 630 by 11. You write this constant value always. Capital D 30 minus 20 by 2 into 15. That means 630 by 11 into 10, 1/3. 20, 10 by 30. Okay, 630 by 11 into 10 by 30. 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and 5 6 are 30. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6, 3 1. 210 by 11. And after dividing it, you will get 11 1s are 11, 0, 11, 19 degree, 1 and 11. This degree, we get 19 degree, and 1 by 11 means 19 degree 5 minute. After multiplying it 60, we will get 5 minute and some 5 minute and 5 seconds. The half taper angle is found in 90 degree 5 minute 5 seconds. You will give the value of the half taper angle into the, put the value of the half taper angle into the compound slide in lathe machines. Okay, this is the half taper angle. Here half taper angle 19 degree, here 19 degree, fully 38 degree angle is produced. It is called the taper turning operation. Another term is, we always listen that conicity, K. Conicity means capital D minus small d by L. That means 30 minus 20 here, 30 minus 20, 10 by 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2/3. This is the ratio, conicity ratio. That means in 3 millimeter length, here from this to there length is 15 millimeter. In this 3 millimeter length, suppose 3 millimeter here, the diameter reduced 2 millimeter in each every 3 millimeter length. প্রতিবার 3 millimeter every 3 millimeter length 2 millimeter reduced হবে. That means it is called the conicity of the taper. Now these operations, I am showing this theoretical part into the machine. You will get clear about this taper turning operation. Let's go into the lathe machines. The job is set similarly into the 3-jaw universal chuck in this way, and you should give the half taper angle 90 degree 5 minutes into the compound rest. This process, taper turning process is the degree of taper is half taper angle is 19 degree. You should put the 90 degree into the compound slide. This is the process of swiveling the compound rest method by which we can cut the taper on the job. This is the compound rest. A compound slide is fastened with the two nut and bolts. Loosen the nut. Not 90 degree 19 degree টা দেখাচ্ছি এটা কোথায় 90 ডিগ্রি দেখো তো 10 করে এই যে দাগটা look here the marks, put these marks into the 19 degree 19. Okay, again tighten the nut and bolt. The process of taper turning here I am showing is called compound rest swiveling process. Another different process are there by which we can also cut the taper on the job. This is the compound rest slide. We using compound rest slide extreme go turn this compound rest slide hand wheel extreme backward and by using cross slide go near the job. Okay, start the machine. Cut is given by the cross slide and angular feed is given by the compound rest slide. Look here, the angle is produced. Again and again you will give the card and feed, you will find the required taper. We also cut the taper by using taper turning attachment, using tailstock and using form tool. In this process you will get long taper, short taper and larger angle, but using taper turning attachment we will get long taper angle and less degree of taper. Look here, the angle is produced continuously. In this way, you will find the taper. Okay. In this way, you'll find the taper simultaneously go. This is the method of compound rest, swiveling the compound rest method. This method is called swiveling the compound rest method. It is called angular feed. Angular feed is always given by the compound rest line. In central lathe, no automatic movement is found in compound rest. It is always be always be given by hand feed. Central lathe machine is very versatile machine. We can do different types of operations in lathe machine. Okay, in this way we will find the taper on the job.